Hello and welcome to my channel or welcome to my page. My name is Sheree Stevenson with Sheree Success, also known as Success is in Your Hands. Today we are going to talk about gratitude. It's Thanksgiving. It's the month of, giving thanks and that we should be thanking, you know, um, the ones we love. I would say especially God, Jesus himself, just being thankful and grateful for where we are, especially in the times that we're living in today. We have to be thankful for one, breath in our bodies, being able to breathe, being able to talk. We just have to be thankful. So, I'm going to give you 5 tips today about being grateful, also meaning thankful, but we're just going to help with showing some gratitude, because when you show things, show gratitude, it comes back to you. And it's that saying, as when you give you get, and you don't always want to give to get, but it's that law of attraction. It really does work. So I'm going to share 10 tips with you today about living an abundant life when you are showing gratitude. The number one thing is, tell people you love how grateful you are for them. Oh, for them and of them. We often take the ones closest to us for granted, and we rarely ever tell them how much we love them. Um, I try to find myself telling, my granddaughter, my son, my daughter, and even my husband, every day how much I love them. But I also need to do better at telling them, especially my husband, how thankful I am for him being in my life and for the things that he does, like taking my bags to the car, or opening my car door, or just making sure I have something to eat. The little piece of candy he puts on my nightstand at night or in the morning, just some those little things I need to do better, and letting him know that I'm grateful for those things and I love those things. And also the roses and the flowers that he buys me every month. So I am grateful and thankful for those things. And I need to do a better job at telling him that. So those are some things that, that's for me. What should you be telling, or who should you be telling that you love how grateful and how thankful you are for the things that they do for you, or just for them being them? It's not always about what someone does for you, but just them being a part of your life, your friends, family, those closest to you. Let's go to number two. Number two is, think about the people who challenge you. Express your gratitude for how they help you, and make you grow stronger. I know some of us, work hard jobs, and or we have challenges in our life, or maybe we're in ministry and we're being pushed a little bit. Well, someone's pushing us. So let's be grateful and tell that person that you're grateful, for, I'm grateful for being a part of this company. I'm grateful for being a part of this ministry, things like that. So you write your own list. Okay. And number three is, take a few minutes each week to write a letter or email. Now, this really does work. To a person who has made a difference in your life. And you don't always have to send this, but you can if you want to, or you can just write it down, or even put it in the mail too. This could, it could be a teacher for those of you that are in school, a mentor, an old friend, maybe a coach, anyone you can think of. Write a letter or write an email to that person. Number four, give the gift of time to someone, to show them, not by words, but by deed, how grateful you are to have them in your life. Some people like to just have your time, sitting on the couch, watching TV or a football game, or just going and, calling someone and saying, Hi. We get so busy with our lives that we forget to do those things just to give people our time because we're so busy with the race of life. We don't have time to even sit or take a few moments to call someone and just give them a little bit of our time. Number five is a good one. Start using a gratitude journal and make time to write down three things you're grateful for every single day. It will brighten even your worst days and put things into perspective for you. I have a journal out, which is a success journal called You Are More Than Enough. It's on Amazon under Sheree Stevenson. Get the journal or just get a journal because you don't want to just keep writing things down on a piece of paper because I used to do that. But you want to have things in a journal in a certain place and have a gratitude journal where you write what you're grateful for. Three things in a day, every day. Write it down. And don't always just say it in your head. You can put it in your phone, but it's best to write it down in the morning. And number six is a big one. Forgive yourself when you don't reach all your goals. Forgive yourself. It's okay. You still have the next few moments or tomorrow or the next day. Every day is not promised, but forgive yourself for not reaching all your goals, because if you are hard on yourself, that means you're going to keep trying. So forgive yourself if you don't reach your goals or things don't go your way, because things don't always go our way, but you have to learn to forgive yourself and also forgive others so that you can live a victorious life. Be grateful for what you have and where you are, and what you're learning and the experience that you're getting out of it. I told my granddaughter this week, because she's learning how to read and she just thinks she's supposed to already know how to read. No, you're learning how to read. So we're learning, from experience, we're being taught. So just be grateful for where you are. And number seven is compliment the people around you. Make them feel good about themselves. It's a powerful way to show gratitude in an indirect way. Small, meaningful gifts and acts of service do the same thing. So tell someone, how proud of you are of them. I'm proud that you're able to read, to my granddaughter that I'm so proud of you. You're doing a great job. There's a young lady that she's been telling me lately, I want you to know how grateful I am for you. And I'm like, okay, I know, but that means a lot to me. So, and sometimes that goes without me even knowing that I'm doing anything. um so that's awesome to me. And number eight is pay it forward. Do something nice for someone you work with or a total stranger. Have you ever been in the Starbucks line and you go to pay for your coffee and the person in front of you has paid for your coffee? That has happened to me on multiple occasions. I mean, multiple. I thought it was kind of weird. At one time, it was happening like almost every week or at least once a month. So I'm like, wow, this is really good. These people were nice. So I started doing it, paying it forward. Do something nice for someone that you don't know. There's that stranger on the street, or not stranger, but that homeless person. Maybe they need you to buy them some food if you don't want to give them money. Give them $5, give them $1. Do something nice for someone, unexpectedly. Just show some positivity in the world, especially in this world that we're living in today. And even a smile. will do some good for some. That's an act of kindness as well, just showing a smile, because some people are just walking around hurting. So if you're smiling at them, guess what? And I know you're smiling, you're going to be smiling back. I mean, they're going to be smiling back. Number nine, give a hug. And I know we can't be hugging right now. So, air hug. um, so give a hug, a kind word to someone who's struggling. Show them through physical affection that you're there for them and grateful for them. Now you can do that with your family members, those that are in your current immediate family, in your home. I would say that's just me. And just show them, through physical contact, how much you love them and how grateful you are for them. Let them know that it's going to be okay if they are going through something or struggling with something. Give them that hug, pat them on the knee, rub their hand, and just let them know it's all going to be okay. And number 10, take care of you. Show your body and mind gratitude. Now, I started working out. I was going to the gym, but now I can't go right now. So I need to do something, in the house, because when you get older, the body starts to that metabolism slows down and the weight goes this way or this way. So take care of your body, feed it, healthy stuff, because this world right now is not being nice with COVID. So take care of you every single day. Taking care of yourself and investing in yourself for or on regular self care. Do that for yourself, because you want to stick around for your loved ones and you want to stick around for you, especially if you're looking to, create success in your life. If you're looking to, for your loved ones, they're looking for you to create that success, to be successful, or to, be the provider. Take care of yourself so that you can be here for them. I'll leave you with this one quote. Take a moment to read it, or write it down and then read it, or, write it down, record it, whatever you want to do, reread it and really let it sink in. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. That's by William Arthur Ward. I'm going to say that again. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it, and it's like wrapping a present and not giving it away. So you're hoarding and you're keeping that present. It's still in the closet because you haven't given it away. So remember, people out there, give some gratitude away so that it comes back to you. Have a wonderful, blessed day, and know that success lives deep down on the inside of you. You were born and created to succeed. I am Sherrea Stevenson with Sherrea Success, your empowerment coach. If you are looking to be pushed and empowered to go to your next level of your desired dreams and goals, contact me. Go to successisinyourhands.net. Successisinyourhands.net. Thank you and have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Talk to you soon.